everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today I will show you how to make fish curry in a microwave. This fish curry is a Kerala fish curry and we will be using coconut milk to make this recipe. So let's see how it is made. In a microwave safe dish, add half teaspoon of oil. This is coconut oil I am using since it is a Kerala recipe. Add 1 onion finely chopped. Into it add few curry leaves. Add about 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger.
I want to put
Okay, next we'll put, okay. Add half a chili. This is green chili. You can put it in there. And I am using just half a chili, so because I don't want enough spice, I want very little spice for some reason here. So, but you can add up to 2 chilies, you have to split into half and cut it and put inside this. Mix it well. After mixing it well, microwave it for 1 minute on high power.
This is
Okay, enough of mixing. We'll microwave it now, okay? Well, it is now 1 minute. Let us go ahead and take it out of the microwave. Okay, now what we'll do is we will place the fish into it and cook it for about 30 seconds. And then we will be adding the coconut milk into it.
I will add the fish.
These are the fillet of basa fish we will add into it.
I will add.
You will add, wait, I'll show you. Okay, just one second, show now. Okay. Okay, now we will be adding, it's very cold, adding the fish.
For that Mama, is it?
Yes.
And for Shoni Baba?
Yes.
This is small one, this is big one, this is big one.
Yes. Sprinkle some salt over it. Nicely. Now we will place it on the microwave on high power for 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, we'll take it out of the microwave and keep it aside. Now take about 1 cup of coconut milk. Into it we will be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. About 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well.
Let me taste.
You want to taste it? No, it's not ready yet. Mix it well so that no lumps are formed.
It's making chocolate milk.
Making chocolate milk? No. This is a coconut milk. Okay, after mixing it well and nice,
It's hot?
yes, it is a little hot. Pour this coconut milk over the fish. Add little water, say about 2 tablespoons of water, and microwave it on high power for 2 minutes. I have used basa fish. You can use the fish of your choice. After 2 minutes, take it out of the microwave. Now turn the fish the other side. And cook it for another 1 minute on high power. After 1 minute, take it out of the microwave. The fish curry is now ready. I can get the delicious aroma of the coconut milk and the coconut oil. We have cooked the fish in the coconut milk and it smells delicious. Let us go ahead and take it out in a serving dish. Into a serving dish.
Let me drink it.
I'll give you some coconut milk. And garnish it with a green chili. Microwave fish curry in coconut milk is now ready to be served. Serve it hot with steamed rice. Well friends, that was the Kerala fish curry for you. I hope you will try it. It is a very simple recipe and very little mess or no mess at all. This is a microwave recipe and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do post in your comments and feedback on the comment box down below. I will see to it. I will answer all your queries as well. Thank you so much for watching VeenasKitchen.com.